many, not many. So I have tried. Okay, so the first. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Prakriti. So for today's video, I have tried few items from different YouTubers' own brand. Today I will share with you guys what are the things I got from them. This video gonna be really exciting, not only for the fan moment going on right here, but also at the same time I'm so excited because these items made my life so easier in one way or other. So I'm really happy, genuinely I'm happy to share with you, and all the items are so worthy. So if you guys are interested to know what are the items that I have purchased and I've been using it also, so I can give you my honest review regarding them. So if you guys are interested to know what are they, please carry on watching the video. And before that, if you are coming here for the first time, then hi, I am Prakriti. Please do consider subscribing to my channel. I hope you will have a really great time here with me. So without any further delay, let's now quickly jump into the video. Okay, so the first product I have from SJ March, which is owned by one and only the beauty queen Shreya Jain.
So this is how the candles in the night. It's so pretty.
So they were in combos. The first one is Kanoj Gulab. This is how it looks like. So it's a very beautiful golden glass going on here, and over it a sticker karke ye the SJ March thing is written, and the name of the scented candle is also written here, the Kanoj Gulab. I was really wishing कि ये engraved होता, ताकि if I would have saved it with me, मेरे को पता चलता कि हाँ, this is from the SJ March. This is one thing. So that's the one thing I find. The another candle I have is the Egyptian Neroli. So if you can see the glass thing here, इसमें बहुत सारा ऐसे colored marks है जो कि बहुत सारा जगह है गोल करके जहाँ पर बिल्कुल ट्रांसपेरेंट हो जाता है ग्लास, if you can see. So first when I saw this one, I thought that why maybe one is defective, मेरे को आ गया. Then when I saw the next one, which is also got the same thing going on as a glass में, but which is the main thing is the smell of the candle, scented candle. So let me talk about the Kanoj Gulab first. You know, I don't like a really strong smell like that. So moreover, Kanoj Gulab is much more stronger in smell than the Egyptian Neroli. If I smell, you get a very refreshing smell as the gulabs are, and I don't know what kind of gulab Kanoj Gulab is, but nonetheless this is a very refreshing scented candles. And next one I have is the Egyptian Neroli. This is much more sweeter and on a sweeter note, and it's not that refreshing as Kanoj Gulab, but this is very sweet smelling scented candles. So let me tell you, these are the two candles which comes in combo, and I got it for 299 rupees. There is no extra shipping charges that you need to pay. This is only like within 300 you will get these two candles. There are many candles going on right there. I would love to try in future. So overall I really liked it. Only disappointment I told you, and this room is very small. Still it takes a lot of time to totally get spreaded in the rooms. Maybe it's winter, that's why it's quite slower. But yeah, overall I really like it, and a huge thumbs up. So let me show you now the second purchase from Simba Lifestyle, the brand owned by the aesthetic queen right there, Mridul Sharma. So I have their planners, 2022 planner going on right here. So I bought this one. So this is how the outer look going on right here. It's a very genuinely I'm telling, this is so good. Until I got this, मेरे को पता नहीं था अच्छा मेरे को ये भी track करना चाहिए. These are the habits I need to follow them, and these are the disciplines जो कि मेरे life में होना चाहिए. Until I got this planner. Okay, I will talk about this. Before that, let me tell you, मैंने जिंदगी में कोई भी planner नहीं use किया है. This is the first time I am using one. So in general, I have a habit of writing each and everything. चाहे वो meetings हो गया, कुछ भी लिखना है या किसी से मिलना है, मैंने time दे दिया, वो each and everything मैं लिख के रखती हूँ. I don't journal my day-to-day life. That is not the case. But कुछ important things या मेरा studies related stuff, internship related stuff, कुछ भी हो जाए तो मैं लिख के रखती हूँ ताकि मेरे को याद आए. Even when I study, मैं लिख के पढ़ती हूँ. This is how I I grew my habit. But मेरा आदत क्या है, I write in a simple white ruled नहीं, जो कि बिल्कुल plain white diary. I use that. But when I got it for the first time, I thought if only I would able to complete this one. वो ruled में आता है जो कि मेरे को ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं. I have a habit of writing in a white pages and all. But let me tell you, this is so amazing. So when you open this is the first page. You can see here one book matter was there. I don't know where I kept it, but this is the first page. I'm quite scared to show you. Okay, there's nothing. Because I started writing things, so I didn't want to really show thing. So I guess you will understand it. Another very important thing that I want to share, that I want to say about this planner. This planner has this whole aesthetic going on of the flowers. So Mridul segregated each and every month according to the flowers. Yes, right here like this. In this way, flowers denote each and every month. So this is how you can segregate your months according to the flowers, which is, I think, so amazing. It's a nice thinking and full of colorful thing going on there. Then nextly, if I tell you about this month, suppose it's April month, then it starts right here with the first page. And so this month denotes about purity. So you can write to certain person in your life that gives you the pure vibes right there. Next you have this page which says the monthly goals. उसके बाद calendars आ जाता है पूरा. Also individually you get a weekly calendar as well. I'm not showing you in details, but you have everything right there that you need. Next you have your expense tracker, the budget tracker, then the buy list. So okay, also you have your habit tracker right here. Then you have your monthly check-ins. Then you have your buy list going on right here, and at the end your brain dumps. So these are the things you have for each and every month going on right there. Even at the end you have this notes thing going on. You have this worry jar where you can dump all your worries about. So beautiful and so thoughtful it is. Also, the most interesting part is that you have your travel planner and then you have your packing list as well going on. So over in all, I feel this planner is so wholesome and it's very thoughtful. So I just love this planner. So this planner cost me 999 rupees, including the 99 rupees of shipping charge that you have to pay. I think it's worth it. At least मेरा life का it became so easy for me because I can write each and everything right there as per the day, and मेरे को next day उठकर पता चल जाता है कि what are the things I need to do. Then I keep on ticking it. It's very nice. And also this planner is so colorful that it brings me back to this planner all the time. So along with this planner, this is not only the thing you get. So on opening the package, you get this thank you letter for the purchase you made, and there's this cute note going on here. Along with it, you also get a pocket diary, 2 sticky notes. Also, you get 5 sticker pages. This is so amazing. So first, let me show you this sticker. This is one of my favorite sticker page. It has to-do list, like to-do sticker, important notes, gratitude, goals, big day. So you can just pull a sticker up from here and put on the days which has the similar meaning, like to buy or a big day or a goal. I think this sticker page is very thoughtful. Next I have this sticker page is going on, and similarly this and lastly this one. So there are 6 sticker pages. So these are all the things that you get for 999 rupees, and yeah, I think this is a steal deal. So moving to the last YouTuber's own brand purchase I did, it's the Impulse Copies by Sara Sarosh. I just genuinely, I just so adore her. I mean, she is so hardworking. I follow her by heart, and she's one of my most favorite YouTuber right there. And I was so lucky to get the gift box from them at the very end moment when I got. So I really remember when I got my internship for payment. It was near 25th, and I wrote in the note section, please, if possible, I want to receive this parcel by 25th, and I got it on 24th because it would be like a Christmas present to myself. And the website of Impulse Coffees is so good, like it's so user friendly. You can add your notes at the end of the purchase where you do the checkouts. You can write your own notes, and that will directly, I think, read by Sarah, and that is how you can also connect to their people. And overall the website is really smooth and user friendly. So this is how the gift box look like. इसको पाके तो मेरा Christmas ही बन गया था. This is so beautiful. So on opening, these are the 3 copies you get. I will talk about it. Before that, let me tell you. So inside the gift box, you get a handwritten note by Sarah herself, and yeah, this is the note, and it got a very cute picture going on right here with our pet dog Fudge. So I really love this picture. So cute. Can you see? Also you get this stickers going on right here. मैं laptop में लगाऊंगी. I just wanted to show you because of that. मैंने अभी तक नहीं लगाया, but as soon as this video finishes, I will just stick on to my laptop. So now talking about the main hero. So you get these 3 coffees. The naming of the coffees is so interesting. The first coffee I have is Vichar over vanilla. It got a very strong vanilla smell going on. I think this is the strongest smelling coffee right here. उसके बाद आ जाता है Mocha पे Choca, it's a mocha, and next the third one is the Raat Ki Rani Espresso. This is my most favorite one right there. Then I think I love the mocha one, and the mocha one is also very much liked by my father. So yeah, definitely these 2 are amazing, and this is something which I like to have in a form of cold coffee because of the strong smell thing going on. Okay, let me give you a disclaimer that I am a chai lover of all time. मेरे को चाय बहुत पसंद है. वो herbal tea हो गया, green tea हो गया. So basically I'm a chai lover. But having said that, these coffees are so good quality. मेरे को बिल्कुल भी टाइम नहीं लगा इस कॉफी का टेस्ट जनरेट करने में. They are amazing. And yeah, so my favorite is of course Raat Ki Rani Espresso, then Mocha pe Choca, and at the end the cold coffee wala thing which I take it. So this is this Vichar over vanilla. I don't exactly remember, but I think it cost 1299. Now you won't find this gift box on their website. You have to buy them separately because this was the first launch. So that was specially for the Christmas and the New Year. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge fat thumbs up and comment down below if you have tried this and how was your experience and overall you liked it or not. So I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much. Bye. Okay, so bye.